So let's deep dive into the art of crafting blog posts that not only grab attention but also bring in loads of traffic, social shares, backlinks, and those coveted Google search rankings. Stay tuned because we're about to unleash the secrets that can supercharge your blogging game. Hi, this is Greg Hughes from .com Classroom. The first step in crafting a blog post that performs like a rock star is finding the perfect topic. Here's how to find killer ideas for your blog posts. First, you need to know who your audience is inside and out. Deep dive into your following. What are their burning questions? What problems need solving? What do they love? What do they hate? What do they want that's hard to get? Research forums, social media, and competitor blogs. Find out what's trending and what people are talking about. This is the foundation for writing a blog post that's not only going to get you traffic, but it's also going to keep your readers coming back for more. Understanding your audience is like having the treasure map to success. The more you know, the better you can tailor your content to their needs. Online communities like Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific forums are gold mines for gathering insight. Get into these platforms and look for discussions, questions, pain points related to your niche. Take notes or make lists of ideas from the questions that people are asking. Social media is where conversation happens in real time. They are a direct window into your audience's thoughts. And don't be shy about spying on your competitors. Look at the top players in your niche. What are they writing about? What gets the most engagement on their blogs and social media? What kind of YouTube videos are they making? Take inspiration from them and remember to put your own spin on it. Now let's talk about keyword research. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs are by far the best way to do keyword research, but they can get a little expensive. And until your blog is earning some revenue, you might want to use a free alternative like Google's Keyword Planner to find out what terms people are searching for in your niche. This also helps you understand the language or the wording that your audience speaks, and it will affect how you write copy and how you write headlines. Sometimes the best way to know what your audience wants is to ask them directly. A fun way to do that is to create surveys or polls and gather feedback. Of course, you'll need to have at least somewhat of an audience to start with, so if you do, create a survey and send an email to your list and get their feedback. Ask what topics they're most interested in. What problems can you help them solve? If you don't have a list or a following yet, try running a Facebook survey. SurveyMonkey has a way to do this for free. You might want to offer your participants a free gift or a free download in exchange for helping out. And here's a side note. Don't forget about your audience's unsolicited feedback. Look at their comments on your blog, social media accounts, and emails. What questions or concerns do your readers have? Address them in your next blog post. This is why it's so important for a blogger to have a lot of social media presence and activity on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and so forth. Now, if you have a partner or team, gather them together for a brainstorm session. Write down every idea, no matter how crazy it seems. Sometimes the wildest ideas turn out to be golden nuggets. Mind mapping is a great way to brainstorm. Start with your main topic in the center and then branch out with related ideas and subtopics. The visual approach will help you see connections that you may have missed. Ask yourself why at least 5 times for your chosen topic. This technique was inspired by the Japanese concept of the 5 whys. It helps you dig deeper and uncover the underlying issues and questions that your audience may have. Take a look at already successful blog posts within your niche. What made them click? Can you reverse engineer their success and create your own unique spin on a similar topic? Remember, brainstorming is all about letting your creativity run wild. There are no bad ideas during this phase. It's about quantity over quality at first. Then, once you have a list of potential topics, you can refine them and choose the most promising one for your next blog post. Now that you have a topic, it's time to craft that masterpiece. Here's how you do it. Remember, your headline is your blog post's first impression, and it can make or break whether someone clicks to read more or not. So make it irresistible. Use power words, numbers, and intrigue. A great headline should be crystal clear. Within seconds, readers should know what your blog post is about. Keep it concise and to the point. Avoid jargon or overly complex language. Power words are your secret weapon. Words like ultimate, essential, proven, or exclusive, they add punch to your headline. They create a sense of urgency and excitement. Numbers work wonders. Readers love lists and guides. Consider headlines like 10 proven ways to boost your productivity, or 7 essential tips for healthy living. And for some reason, odd numbers tend to perform even better. Who knows why? Sometimes posing a question in your headline can engage your audience instantly. For example, struggling to sleep? Discover 5 tips for a restful night. Make readers curious. Use a headline that hints at a solution or a secret that they can uncover in your blog. For instance, the surprising benefits of dark chocolate you never knew. Your headline should promise value. What will readers gain from reading your blog post? Whether it's knowledge, entertainment, solutions to their problems, your headline should convey that. Ensure your headline accurately represents the content of your blog post. Clickbait may get initial clicks, but it won't win you loyal readers, and don't you hate when that happens to you? Remember, your headline is a promise to your readers, so make it irresistible and keep your promise. Subheadings. Break your content into digestible chunks with subheadings. They keep your readers engaged and they help with SEO, search engine optimization. Your content needs to be top-notch. No compromises. Research thoroughly, provide value, and make it easy to read. Edit rigorously. Nobody likes sloppy work. Now, once you have a great blog post, it won't shine without proper search engine optimization. So here's how to optimize your article. Keyword placement. Place your target keywords strategically in the title, in the first paragraph, and naturally throughout the content. But remember, don't overstuff them. Meta tags. Don't forget your meta tag description. Craft a compelling meta title and description that encourages clicks. Internal and external links. Link to your own relevant articles. That's called internal linking. And link to high authority sources. That's called external linking. It not only adds credibility, but it boosts your SEO. So there you have it. Crafting blog posts that pull in traffic, shares, backlinks, and Google's love isn't rocket science. It's about understanding your audience, creating high-quality content. It's about optimizing for search to make your blog soar to new heights. If you found this video helpful, you should subscribe to this channel and check out many more resources for creating profitable websites at dotcomclassroom.com.